Hi guys, from this array, I want to take out this Srikanth value and I want to return it. Okay, so to do that, we have a method in JavaScript that is Array.shift. Okay, it is a method that removes first element of an array and returns it. Okay, so let's check that. Let me write here, let value equal to array.shift. Okay, and guys, this will not take any parameters. Okay, this will not take any parameters. Even if you pass any parameter, it will ignore that. Okay, so let me come here and let me write console.log value. Okay, value, and I want to print that. So let's print that one. You see guys, we got Srikanth. That means it has extracted Srikanth value from this array and it has returned. And we have stored that in value. We are printing that. Okay, and it will change or modify original array, guys. That means let me write here console.log, let's say array. Okay, if I type here array, we will see Srikanth missing. You see, we have only 2, 3, 4. Why? Because using shift method, we have taken out the value Srikanth. Okay, and that affected the original array. Okay, yeah. Let's say you pass some parameter. Let's say I will pass here subscribe. Okay, I'll pass here subscribe. Now let's see if that will ignore or not. So let me come here. You see guys, as I told, if you pass any parameter, it will just ignore and it will just perform normal shift operation. That's why we got same output 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let me remove this one. Yeah, awesome. Now what if you pass shift method on empty array? Okay, let's say, let me take one more array, arr2 equal to, and this is empty array, right? And let's type here 2. Okay, sorry, let me put equal to here. Yeah, now when you apply shift method on empty array, it will return undefined. Okay, so let me write node array.js. You see guys, we got undefined. Okay, and guys, if we talk about real life scenarios, we can use this shift method maybe in the to-do list app when we want to remove a task once it is completed, and in the queue management where we want to remove the first customer that is present in the queue. These are some of the examples where we can use shift. Okay, now we have one more method, that is unshift. Now what this unshift will do? So guys, it is an array method that will add one or more elements to the beginning of array and it will return the length of new array. Remember this guys, in case of shift method, it will return the value that has taken out. But in case of unshift, it will return the length of new array. Okay, so let's see that with an example. Let me write here unshift. Okay, I'll write here unshift and let me remove this one. Sorry. Yeah, okay. Now coming to parameters, you can pass as many as values that you want to add to the beginning of array. Okay, let's say I will pass here please, and then I will write here subscribe. Okay, please subscribe, and let's change this to ARR. Yeah, now let me run this one. Yeah, you see guys, we got 6 and we got please subscribe added. So before please and subscribe, the length of array is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now since these are added, the length of array is 6. Now you should understand that it will return, once it added elements, it will return the length of new array. Okay, that is about unshift method. Now let's see what will happen when you apply unshift method on empty array. Okay, so let me come here and let me write array2, and here also let's write array2. Okay, now the output will be length equal to 2 and array is please subscribe. Why? Because at first the length is 0 and then it will add 2 values, please subscribe, then length will become 2. Okay, so let me run this now. Yeah, you see guys, we got length as 2 and we got array with please and subscribe. And here we can also pass different things, like let's say I want to pass an array. Okay, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and let me close this one and let me put a comma. Yeah, now let me run this one. Yeah, you see we got an array. And likewise I can also pass function. Maybe I'll write here function and then let me open curly brackets, right? And let me put a comma here, sorry. Yeah, and inside this let's write console.log hello. Okay, something. Now let me run this one. Yeah, you see guys, we got an array and then we got a function. It is anonymous because I did not give any name. And likewise you can also pass objects. Yeah, and coming to real life scenarios, we can use this unshift method maybe in the to-do app, right, where we want to add a task, right? Shopping cart where you want to add certain products, right? So this is all about shift and unshift guys. I hope you guys got the clarity. If you found this video useful, please give it a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.